So let us discuss security group. So whenever we are configuring EC2 instance, the security group are going to be configured or we can create it. So security groups works as a firewall for the instance, EC2 instance. The user can set the inbound and outbound rule, customize the access, allow or deny the access. For example, so in network and security we are having security group. So when we click on security group, it will redirect to the dashboard of security group where the previously created security groups are available. The user can able to create a new security group by clicking on security group, then provide the security group name, let's say web server 1. We are going to description for which VPC you are going to implement. Suppose my VPC, then choose the VPC. So here we are having only one VPC, default VPC. Otherwise you can create one VPC and add it to the security group feature. After that we can add inbound and outbound rule where the user has to choose the traffic like all TCP or any other traffic, customize it anywhere or my IP. Similarly outbound rule, let's say HTTPS port number 443 custom anywhere or my IP specifically, and after that we can able to create the security group. So in this way we can create the security group, and whenever we are configuring the EC2 instance, during configuration or launching of EC2 instance, the security group needs to be configured. For example, suppose I am showing you the option. So click to micro, let's say default, and here. So you can create a new security group or you can use the existing security group. So security group can be configured and can be used as per the requirement. Next, let us discuss Amazon Elastic Network Interface. So Elastic Network Interface is the logical networking component in a VPC which represents a virtual network card. It includes primary private IPv4, one or more secondary IPv4 address, one elastic IP. So what is the need of elastic IP? So whenever the EC2 instance is being stopped and restart, the IP address gets changed because the IP address is assigned by using DHCP, Dynamic Host Control Protocol set. So that's why to keep it static we can attach elastic IP to the EC2 instance that is currently being used. One public IPv4, one or more IPv4 address, one or more security group, a MAC address, source and destination check flag, and description. So these are the things to be configured during the ENI or Elastic Network Interface configuration.